Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Barry M haul, which is exciting. It's a brand I've never hauled before, but I've got quite a few bits like glitter, makeup, contour, mascara, lip gloss and eyeliner. So let's get started. Right, first I will start off with this here, which is the Flawless Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit by Barry M, which looks like this, and it's got a wee mirror. Oh. Okay, I'm straight. Okay. Yeah, this is it here. It kind of looks like the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour with a colour scheme, but yeah. So this is in colour, has it got a colour? I can't even find, I think it's just like, I think it's like a one colour fits all kind of thing, which doesn't apply, let's be honest. But this is it here, and it's got like a few wee pictures at the back telling you how to do it and stuff like that, which is good for beginners. But yeah, cream contour is a thing that I've not really tried. I have a few palettes, but I really want to start getting into it, especially for like winter. I feel like it'd be good for, you know, this hella dry skin. But yeah, I feel like that would be good. The colours seem to be alright. I mean, the top three colours I'm not sure if I would use. Maybe that, but this is like way too yellow and this is way too orange. But yeah, the contour colours look alright. Yeah, so I'll really just need to give it a try and see how it is. But it's just quite a nice wee palette. It's not too bulky, it's quite light, so it'd be good for maybe like makeup artists, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Hopefully I can manage to like make it look alright, but we'll see. Right, next is this here, which is a mascara. It's the feature length specially designed brush to lengthen and define lashes black mascara. Okay, so it's a black mascara, like a rose kind of gold or copper. I would say a kind of rose gold packaging. Let me open it. So this is it here. I actually quite like the packaging, quite a big size. How much do you get? You get 7 mils. Right, so the brush is like this, so it's really tiny little brushes. Tiny little bristles. Bristles? Would that be the word? Bristles, oh my god. Should I just stop filming and give up right now? Really small bristles, which will like, I feel like will really get into the root and like make your lashes look really long. But yeah, so this is kind of the same thing. I'll need to try out to see how it is. But so far the brush looks quite promising. But I like the PS Pro Aqualash or something like that mascara. I'll put the name down there because I can't remember it right now. But yeah, the brush is quite similar to that. So yeah, so hopefully it's good. And of course it's cheap. You guys know I love a bargain as always. By the way guys, are you feeling my kind of lumberjack feel? Right, next here is this here. It's called That Swell Lip. Why can't I talk? It's the Barry M That's Swell Lip Plumper. Why does that sound like a tongue twister? That Swell Lip Plumper. That Swell Lip Plumper. I'm actually quite good at tangled. What's that phrase? Tongue twisters. I'm actually quite good at them. But anyway, a little bit off track. Let's go. So yeah, this kind of same theme, rose gold. It's quite nice. Yeah, so hopefully this is good. A lot of lip plumpers are like really expensive, I'm like. But yeah, this looks quite good. So this again, we'll just kind of have to try it out. But yeah, I need a wee lip plumper in my life. I've actually never in my life tried a lip plumper, but like I'd like juicy lips. My lips are like a kind of awkward shape. Probably by the amount of times that I've split my lip open. Can you see? I got like a wee scar above my lip because of the amount of times I bashed my lip open when I was younger. So yeah, I was quite clumsy. Still am, not gonna lie. Right, so ooh, it smells like minty, like what do you call them? Peppermint sweeties. Oh, they're like mints, peppermints, I think you just call them, but oh, they're so good. It smells exactly like that. Probably gonna do like a trying this makeup on, because just so that you guys know if I like it or not, because it's hard to tell in a haul. But other stuff looks promising so far. Right, this next is a glitter fixer gel. It's in a creepy box with stars on it. So this is for like glitter. Ooh. So it's just like a wee tube like this. Let's see the applicator. I feel like that would be fine, like an applicator. It's like a wee squishy kind of tube, you know. I've already got quite a lot of glitter and I bought a few more in this haul. So yeah, I wanted to get another one. I've already got the e.l.f. primer. The e.l.f. priming lid glitter thing. Don't know the name. Yeah, so hopefully that's good. The next thing is quite exciting. Glitters. So the only one I have tried is this one. It's called Moonstone. I used it in one of my previous makeup tutorials, can't remember which one. The colour is just beautiful. Is anyone else just fascinated with glitter, or is it just me? Probably just me. But yeah, so I really like this colour. It's just like a true kind of silver, and the reflex on it's really nice. Which it just kind of reminds me of like Christmas time, you know. But yeah, I got 3 more. So I got colours. Ooh, don't drop it. I got colours Fireball, Ultraviolet, and Desert Bronze. So these are the colours here. They're just so nice. These two are quite similar. So yeah, I'm excited to try the rest of these glitters. Such nice colours. But yeah, I've already got a few of them. They are just good glitters. They last very long. Yeah, so I'm excited to try them. So maybe Halloween I might do a few glitter looks. I'll watch this space. Right, next is this here, which is the bold bronze waterproof eyeliner. Just looks like this. I just seen this and I thought I'm nothing really like it, so yeah, just thought I'd get it. It's actually quite good. Look at that. I feel like a lot of like eyeliner pencils are like you can't even see the colour, but yeah, this one looks quite good. Yes, so I tried to put a little bit on my eye, I don't know if you can see, but the pencil broke. I don't have a sharpener, so that's annoying. But yeah, it's actually quite nice. I can kind of only see it here. But yeah, it's pretty pigmented actually, which looks quite good. So yeah, I'm excited to try that for more kind of dramatic looks, to kind of tie everything in together. But yeah, is that everything? That's everything. So let me know what kind of products you guys like from Barry M. Barry M is actually pretty good. I love their glitters, so I just wanted to branch out and try a few more of the products because I feel like that's what they're known for, their nail polish and their glitters. But yeah, I'm excited to try these products. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys do enjoy, and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Now Q is trying to get a thumbnail. That'll do. Bye guys.